Can I use this digital coupon here? Should I insert or tap my card? Let me find my store loyalty card. Did that discount apply correctly?
Yes, it did.
Excuse me, where is the bakery section?
Over there.
I weigh the vegetables. I pay with my phone. I go to the checkout. Hey, beautiful people! Today we will learn a few commonly used sentences in the supermarket. Let's grab a coffee and practice together. I go to the supermarket. I take a cart. I take a cart. I take a basket. This is on sale. This item is out of stock. This item is out of stock. I need help. Can you help me? I get a hot cup of coffee. Where can I find the fresh broccoli?
Over there.
Excuse me, where is the bakery section?
Over there.
I put a pineapple in the cart. I put a pineapple in the cart. I choose a roll of paper towels. I choose a tub of butter. I choose a tub of butter. I check the nutrition facts. I check the nutrition facts. Could you help me reach that item, please? Could you help me reach that item, please? I buy a box of laundry detergent. Do you have any freshly baked bread left?
Yes.
I buy a bottle of olive oil. I buy a bottle of milk from the supermarket shelf. I buy a bottle of water. I put the watermelon in the cart. I put the watermelon in the cart. I buy a bag of brown sugar. I walk down the frozen food aisle. Hey, beautiful people! Write in the comment box, how many of these words you already use in the supermarket? Are these frozen strawberries organic? Are these frozen strawberries organic? Could you please slice this cheese for me? Could you please slice this cheese for me? I weigh the vegetables. I weigh the vegetables. I go to the checkout. I go to the checkout. I wait in line. I wait in line. I put items on the belt. I pack my bags. I pack my bags. I take the receipt. Can I use this digital coupon here?
Yes, you can.
Did that discount apply correctly?
Yes, it did.
Did that discount apply correctly?
Yes, it did.
Where can I return this item? Where can I return this item? Let me find my store loyalty card. Let me find my store loyalty card. Should I insert or tap my card? Should I insert or tap my card? I pay with my phone. I pay cash. My shopping trip is finished. I load the car with groceries. Thanks for watching. Learn speaking English easily with Fluentlish. Keep practicing.